Namaste, everyone. A very good morning. And I am very happy today that we are celebrating National Mathematics Day 2020. With me, I have a guest from Andhra Pradesh today, Mr. Bondili Maruti Ramsingh. Good morning, sir. So something about Mr. Ram Singh is that he is an MCom, B.Ed Social, a resource person for Vedic maths, and he is a math lover in spite of being a B.Ed in social. So, sir, I'm going to put up some questions in front of you, but before we start the show, something about mathematics. National Mathematics Day is celebrated every year on December 22nd across the nation to recognize and celebrate the works of Srinivasa Ramanujan. It was on this day in 1887 the Indian mathematical genius Ramanujan was born. The former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh on February 26, 2012 declared December 2022 as the National Mathematics Day to mark the mathematician's birth anniversary. The National Mathematics Day is celebrated across the country with several educational events in schools and colleges. Ramanujan, who is also known as the man who knew infinity, he did not receive any formal education in mathematics but made important contribution in the field of mathematics. Wonderful. So today we are here to celebrate National Mathematics Day and we have a math magician with us. So sir, my first question to you is, why do you like maths so much?
I am very much interested in math right from childhood, and my mom taught me 20 tables at the age of 5 and joined me in a great school where I had a great math teacher. My math teacher's name is Padmanabha Sharma. Today I am like this because of him only. We never uh, had tension in learning tables. Just today's kids are getting unnecessary tension in learning tables because they think that they have to memorize tables. But actually,
Hmm.
what the fact is, no need to memorize tables. Just it is enough to know 9 tables
Hmm.
as per Vedic maths. And in my school, just we played with the tables and math, so automatically, I loved maths and I am loving maths and I am living on maths. My livelihood is maths. Everything is maths. That's why I like math.
Wonderful, sir. Wonderful. One more question, sir. Generally, children hate maths as a subject. So, what do you have to say about this? Why do children hate maths?
Because they think that math is a very difficult subject. It is their
Hmm.
false feeling, just like the phobia. What in fact is, if we teach math in a correct way, in a proper way, they will love and play with math. So this is just a phobia. That is,
Hmm.
generally human beings have different psychological problems, different types of phobias. So math phobia is one of them. Actual fact
Right.
is no need of getting afraid of math. Math is a friendly subject. Student can love. Every student love math if we teach in a proper way.
Correct.
Just if
Correct.
they just false feeling, ma'am. Just their feeling, only phobia. When they
Right.
know the fact that it is their friend, math is their friend, so they will feel very friendly with math.
Wonderful, wonderful. Sir, you talked about tables. So I will just quickly put up some questions in front of you. And I just want to know their answers because you said that you don't memorize table and there is a perfect method to, learn the tables. So, sir, my first question to you is 35 multiplied by 68.
2380 is the answer. 35 multiplied by 68, you asked, ma'am.
Huh?
2380 is my answer.
Oh my God, how quickly you solved it, sir. Can you just first let me ask the questions and then we'll come to the tricks, sir. Okay?
Yes,
So, my
yes, yes.
second question, sir, 69 multiplied by 96.
Double 624, 69 multiplied by 96. Double 624.
Oh my God, I'm like 76 multiplied by 64.
That may be 4864, ma'am. Yes, I am sure 4864.
Oh my God. I mean, this is something magical. I
No,
just
ma'am.
watched a movie
Just
few days
because of
back.
Vedic maths. Just because of
Yes,
Vedic
yes.
maths.
I just watched a movie
Yes.
few days back about
Any more questions?
Shakuntala
Any more
Devi, and I
questions
had that
regarding
kind of an
this?
episode with you.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Sir, one more little difficult one I'll give you. 198
Yeah.
multiplied by 16.
3168.
Oh God, this is correct. One more little complicated, sir, is coming on your
Yeah.
way. 178 multiplied by 18.
178.
Multiply by 18.
3204.
Oh God. One more complicated, sir. This is little difficult and I'm sure it's going to give you a tough time. 64 multiply by 64 multiply by 64.
262144. 64 cube.
Oh my God. One more complicated, sir, just to challenge you. One more complicated. This is a big number.
No,
Two
ma'am.
five
Please,
six
please.
zero eight six 40 288
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
multiply by
Please
6.
repeat. Please repeat.
25608640288 multiply by 6.
Answer is 1536518417228.
Oh my God, you are a genius, sir. Now, now,
No.
now, show me the trick, sir. How did you
My
do it?
my
I mean,
my sir
I'm
is my sir is genius, and I learned from him.
wonderful. But I'm going crazy now, sir. How did you solve this?
Yes, yes. Which one shall I explain, ma'am? 2 digit into 2 digit?
Sir, the easiest one, 35 multiplied by 68. You can explain that to me.
Yes,
35
ma'am.
multiplied
Yes,
by
ma'am.
68.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, viewers. Good morning, all of you. Now, ma'am asked me to explain 35 into 68, and I said the answer is 2380. First, let us divide the problem into this vertical. We remember these words: vertical, crosswise, and vertical. Let us start from left side. First, multiply these two vertically. 3 into 6, 18. Next, let us go for crosswise. Here we have two cross lines, 3 into 8 and 5 into 6. Let us take the total of these two crosses. 3 8 are 24 plus 6 5 are 30. The total is 54. Keep in the middle. Now come to the right vertical. 5 into 8 40. Now let us balance these three numbers. 0 comes down to answer. 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 8 is 13. And 1 is adjusted here. 1 plus 1, 2. 2380 is the answer, ma'am.
Oh my God, this is so easy. Otherwise, I would have to go and take a calculator or I would go mad,
No, no,
calculating
no,
this number.
no.
Wow, beautiful.
Just with a little practice, we can command. Everyone can command with
Absolutely.
the knowledge of 9 tables. Just 9
Right.
tables knowledge is enough.
Yes, yes, absolutely. Sir, another question I asked you was little difficult. उसको आप थोड़ा explain कर दीजिए. 198 multiplied by 16. How did you solve this, sir?
198 multiplied by 16.
16.
3168 is the answer. Generally, I broke like this: 16 into 19, 3040, and I added 16 into 8, 128 to this 3168. Generally, if we know 9 tables, we can know 20 tables up to 10 and 20 tables up to 20 without memorization, ma'am. Just within minutes,
Oh,
a student with 9 tables can command 20 tables up to 10 levels, 20 tables up
okay.
to 20 levels. Here I used both the techniques. 20 table up to 20
Hmm.
levels and 20 table up to 10 levels, and combined
Hmm.
both and answered you.
So we have to only memorize till 9 tables, and then
9 tables.
wow,
Enough, ma'am.
this
9
is
tables
very
knowledge is
easy.
enough.
Very easy. Sir, I also asked you one question: 64 multiply by 64 multiply by 64. How did you solve that, sir?
That I used the A plus B whole cube formula, ma'am.
Hmm.
64 cube. First, uh, let us use this formula: A cube, 3A square B, 3AB square and B cube. Yes, how I used that. 6 cube dash 3 times 6 square into 4 dash 3 times 6 into 4 square dash 4 cube, and this answer is 262,144. 6 cube is 216. 3 into 4 12 into 36 432. 3 into 6 18 into 16 288 and 64. 4 will come out. 6 plus 4 14. 6 8 29 plus 2 31. 46 plus 6 52. 21 plus 5 26. 262,144.
Very nicely, you are able to do it. Very easily, you are doing it, sir. I think with practice, we are able to do it more confidently,
Yes,
isn't it?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Practice, because I am professional regularly. I repeat these. So this is called professional memory, also professional experience also.
Correct, correct. Sir, one difficult question I asked you, just help me understand how did you solve it. 2, 5,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, 2560
2560
8640
8640
288 multiply by 6. Oh my God, this number is so big. How did you solve it? I'm very curious to know.
Yes, ma'am. Let us start from here. 48 dash 48 dash 6 to z 12 dash 6 into 0 0 0 24 36 48 0 0. Oh, I have to adjust in 2 lines. The sum is so lengthy. 48 dash 48 dash 12 double 0 24 36 48 double 0 36 30 and 12. In the same way, just I did it 35 into 64, balancing star 8, 4 plus 8 12, 5 plus 2 7, 1 plus 0 1, 4 8, 3 plus 8 11, 5 plus 0 5, 6 3 5 1 1 5 3 6 5 1 8 4 1 7 2 8. Yes.
Sir, something about days and dates also. When we were talking, you said that if I give you any particular date, you will tell me which day it was.
Yes, ma'am.
So, shall I tell you some date?
Yes, yes. Ask me any
Okay.
date. I will tell you the day.
Okay. Sir, I will ask you my birth day. I will give you my birth date and you will have to give me the day of my birth. Okay. It is
Yeah.
14 June 1975.
15,
14 June, 1 4 14 June,
14,
June
14th June
1975.
1975 was nothing but Saturday.
Oh, wow. This was so amazing. Amazing. Wow. Wonderful. Wonderful. One more date, sir.
Yes,
1st February 1999.
1st February
1999.
was Monday.
Yes, yes, absolutely. How did you do this magic, sir?
No, generally it is there is a procedure. It will take 3 to 5 minutes to calculate each and every date into a
Hmm.
day. Because of regular practice, I can tell you in second.
Hmm.
Actually, it takes 3 to 5 minutes for each and every date to convert into day.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
So how do you
This
do,
is
sir?
what.
Just explain us. How do you do this magic?
For that, I have to teach you the procedure itself.
Okay.
For that,
So if you
we have to take monthly codes, century codes, and we will
hmm.
have 5 steps. Total 5 steps we have to add and divide it by 7. The
Hmm.
remainder will give you the answer. If remainder
Oh,
is 1, that
okay.
is Sunday, 2, that is Monday, like that.
Okay, okay, okay. So you
Any
are
more
really a
dates, ma'am?
practitioner. Yes, you are really a practitioner because within a fraction of second you could give us the answer. So we feel as if we are watching some magic show.
No, ma'am. The concept is very easy. If we know 7 table perfectly, we can calculate the date
Correct,
of birth.
correct,
7 table
correct.
is the central point.
Okay. So
Knowledge
sir,
of
any
7 table is enough.
right, right. So sir, any tips from your side that how children can do these calculations easily without any stress? Any tips what the children can do?
Yes, ma'am. What shall I explain you?
Any tips from your side because children really find it difficult when it comes to calculations. So anything that
Yes.
children can do it simply.
See, for example, previously I told you, if they know 10 tables, generally we divide tables into 3 levels, ma'am.
Hmm.
10 tables up to 10 levels,
Hmm.
20 tables up to 10 levels, 20 tables up to 20 levels.
Okay.
Generally, most of the students stop here itself because they feel
Hmm.
that they have to buy hard to get knowledge of these two.
Hmm.
But what is the fact is, no need of by adding these 2 levels also.
Hmm.
Just the perfection of this knowledge is enough to command this knowledge.
Correct.
I will
Correct.
explain.
Okay.
See, even some primary level students, they feel difficult to memorize this also.
Hmm.
And we have technique to learn this also. With the just to learn 10 tables, it is a knowledge. It is enough to have 5 tables knowledge up to 5 levels. One
Okay.
table up to 1 into 5, 2 tables up to 2 into 5, 3 table up to
Okay.
3 into 5, like that. See, I will
Okay.
explain.
Okay.
See, for example, 7 into 9, we all know that answer is 63.
Hmm. Hmm.
But to tell 7 into 9, 63, we should have knowledge of either 7 table or 9 table up to 10 levels. But in
Hmm.
fact, knowledge of 1 table is enough to answer 7 into 9, 63. Really.
Oh.
Generally, we
Okay.
neglect 1 table. And even we don't ask students to read 1 table. We never ask
Hmm.
students to read 1 table. But
Hmm.
now, I promise you, I don't use any other table other than 1 table. I use only 1 table now to get answer 63. Now,
Oh.
let us 7 and 9 both are close to nearest
10.
round figure 10.
Hmm.
Now, let us take just a difference between these two numbers with 10. Let us write
Oh.
deviations here. Here I will write deviations. Deviations.
Hmm.
7 is 3 less than 10.
Hmm.
9 is 1 less than 10, and I am keeping symbol minus. This is not 7 minus 3, 4, or 9
Hmm.
minus 1, 8. This is to
Hmm.
indicate that 7 is 3 less than 10, 9 is 1 less than 10. Now let us
Hmm.
answer.
Hmm.
We are asked to multiply 7 and 9. Imagine we
Hmm.
don't know both the tables, 7 table or 9 table.
Hmm.
Just now, just multiply deviations with you.
Okay.
3 into 1. Already I told you, we know one table. 1 into 3.
3.
3. Half of the answer
Hmm.
we got already. Out of
Hmm.
63, one digit is here, 3.
Hmm. Hmm.
And just draw a cross line. Just draw a cross line from top to bottom number or lower number to this number to
Hmm.
opposite deviation or this number to opposite deviation. 7
Hmm.
minus 1, 6. Or you can go this way also. 9 minus 3 also
Oh.
6. 7 into 9, 63 with the help of one table. 1 into
Oh.
3, 3. And one small subtraction. 7 minus 1, 6, 63.
So this is possible with all the numbers. If I multiply any other number also, this is possible.
Yes, ma'am. Let us see some more example. I will explain. For
Ah.
example, yes, let us try some more also so that you can have confidence.
Hmm. Hmm.
8 into 7. Here I
Correct.
use only two tables. To
Ah.
prove that 8 into 7, 56. Here I am
Hmm.
going to use only two tables. That too
Hmm.
below 5 levels. See, 8 and 7 both are close to 10.
Hmm.
8, now let us write deviations, just like previous
Hmm.
example. 8 is 2 less than 10. 7 is 3 less than 10.
Hmm.
Let us write like this, 8 minus 2. That means 2 less than 10.
Ah.
7 is 3 less than 10. Now instead
Correct.
of multiplying the actual numbers, just multiply their deviations from 10. 2
Oh.
into 3 is 6. Yes, we got one
Oh.
answer.
Correct.
Draw a cross line and blindly follow that line. 7
Ah.
minus 5. 7 minus 2 is 5.
Oh my God. This is really
8
magic.
into 7, 56. 8 table or 7 table with the help of 2 table or 3 table.
Great, great, great. Wonderful, wonderful. Sir, one more question I have. You have mentioned that you are a B.Ed in social. So how
Yeah,
did you pick up maths, sir?
ma'am, these are foundations given in school.
Hmm.
I am playing with just tables. Tables, in any country, tables are not taught in plus one or plus two or degree or PG level. There should be strong schooling. I had a very strong schooling.
Hmm.
I studied in very good school. We should get all these below 15 years. I
Hmm.
completed learning all these when I was less than 15 years old. So
Oh.
subject, the classification of subjects may be from plus one, plus two degree level. Whether we may
Hmm.
be art students or science students or commerce students. ये कुछ
Hmm.
नहीं पड़ता because the foundation must be laid in school level.
Right.
Because of school level, I have passion and I started loving tables and I am continuing that passion throughout my life.
Correct,
So
correct.
anybody can learn, a social teacher or science teacher, math teacher, anyone, even no need of becoming teacher also. Even
Ah,
housewife can learn. Even anybody can learn math.
right. You're
So
right.
yeah, me too. Yes.
So, sir, basically today, really, this was a very inspirational session because you, first of all, told us that don't fear about maths. It's not a difficult subject. That is what I really liked. I'm sure the parents and the teachers and the students who are watching this show will definitely now think on a different level. So, tell me something about Vedic maths, sir.
Oh, Vedic math is there are so many different types of
Mm,
calculations in the world. Already we know about abacus. It is not Indian, it
mm,
is Chinese. So many
mm,
methods are there, Napier tables. But Vedic
mm.
math is born and brought up in our country.
Okay.
It is called Vedic maths because it was used by our rishis and ancient people
Mm,
during
mm.
Vedic civilization.
Oh.
Today, see, we are having telescopes, everything we have technology. Today, we can
Mm,
tell next moon eclipse or sun eclipse, maybe
mm,
our ancients
mm,
just they could calculate by using their fingers exactly
ah,
seconds and mini, a part of that also when next solar or lunar eclipse will happen.
Hmm.
Today we are using the math founded by our ancient people. So Vedic math
Hmm.
was rediscovered by Maharshi Krishna Tirthaji during 1911. He
Okay.
rediscovered and
Hmm.
developed. So today we are learning math and everything we have in Vedic math. In Vedic math, not only calculation part, we have algebra, we have
Hmm.
trigonometry, we have geometry, everything is in Vedic math. But we
Right.
don't know that the basic was Vedic math and founded by Indians.
Right. Right.
Almost
Right.
all world countries today following Vedic math, not only Indians.
Right.
So it was
Right.
developed by Indians, spread by Indians.
Correct.
Yes.
Very well said. Sir, really, thank you so much for this wonderful episode because this was a very insightful, knowledgeable episode. Sir, anything you would like to conclude today after this show?
Uh, uh, Please watch my YouTube channel,
Yes.
Vedic Maths Maruti, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. My YouTube channel name is Vedic Maths Maruti. Vedic Maths Maruti.
Okay.
And my phone number is 9247823664.
Correct.
Again, my YouTube name is Vedic Maths Maruti. And my phone number is 9247823664. And thank you, parents station and ma'am, for giving me chance of this wonderful celebration. I am very proud to be a part of your celebrations, and I am thankful to all your members and your group members, and you especially.
Wonderful.
This is
Wonderful. Thank
possible
you so
because
much.
of you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. I have liked and subscribed Sir's channel because I'm very much curious to know what magical moves he does in these sessions. So I request everybody कि Sir का YouTube channel जरूर से like करे और he has mentioned his phone number also, so you can get in touch with him if you want to stay connected with him in future also.
And online
Sir,
coaching is also available, ma'am.
okay, that's great. That's
Online
great.
coaching is also available. Anytime you
Wonderful.
can call me.
Wonderful, wonderful. So thank you so much, Mr. Maruti. Thank you so much for being and making
Thank you.
this show so insightful. Thank you so much, and all the best for your future endeavors. So thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.